It's Miss Chelsea, and I'm so excited to do this video today. If you look in your kit, this is the airplane video, and you have the body of the airplane, a wing, and then we have these blue squares for the windows, and we have this sponge and blue paint for the clouds, okay? So first, I'm gonna do the clouds. So I'm gonna open my blue paint and dip my sponge in. Or maybe I'll pour some paint on my sponge. And I'm just gonna do clouds all over for my sky. So you can do the whole thing blue, or you can just do dots of blue for clouds. But I'm gonna do this before I glue anything on so I can make sure that I put it all over. Let's pour a little bit more paint. You can do circles or squares if you press hard and you get paint on all the corners. Okay, so this is what mine looks like when I put paint all over my paper. Okay, now I think I have enough clouds. I'm just gonna get the excess paint off, and I'm gonna take my airplane body like this, my glue stick, and just kind of go around the shape of the airplane. We don't need too much glue, just enough to make it stick. And I'm gonna put my airplane this way. I'm just gonna press along the edges. It's okay if we get a little bit of paint on our airplane, not a big deal. Or you can paint your airplane, it's really up to you. Now I'm gonna take this wing, and I'm gonna put glue all around it. And I think I'm gonna go like this. Put that wing down, but you can put it on top or on bottom or across, however you want to do it. Now, these are my windows. So I think I'm gonna do a line of glue like that, just across the top. And maybe in the front for the windshield. And I'm just gonna put my windows across. How many windows do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. I'm just gonna put some glue around them so they stick. And there's my airplane. So we have the clouds of paint, and then 2 shapes right here and 4 windows. And there we go.